In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find recently added workflows in Gumloop 2025 step by step. If you want to quickly spot the newest automations and templates that Gumloop has published, this guide will show you exactly where to look and what to expect on the page so you can jump straight into the latest tools. Start by opening Gumloop in your web browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you see the full interface. Once you're in, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a vertical navigation panel. This sidebar is your main hub for getting around the platform. In that sidebar, find and select Templates by Gumloop. This takes you to the Templates page, which is a curated gallery of ready-made workflows. The page may load with featured or popular templates at the top, which is normal. We're not staying at the top for long though. Next, scroll down the Templates page. Use a steady scroll so you don't skip past the section you need. You're looking for a heading labeled Recently Added Workflows. It typically appears below the featured areas and highlights the newest additions to the library. Keep an eye on the section headers as you move. Once you spot recently added workflows, pause there. Within this section, each workflow appears as a card with a title and a short description. Most importantly, you'll see a small time indicator that tells you when each workflow was added. Gumloop displays this information in a friendly, relative format. Instead of an exact date, you'll see labels like 5 days ago or 2 weeks ago. These timestamps are designed to make it easy to gauge how fresh a workflow is at a glance. Use these labels to prioritize what to explore first. For example, if you last checked the library a week ago, anything marked within the last few days is brand new to you. If you're watching for rapid updates, scanning this section regularly will help you catch the latest releases without digging through every category. If the section isn't immediately visible, you're likely just a little above it. Continue scrolling and give the page a moment to load additional content. Also, make sure you're on the templates page specifically. That's where the recently added workflows section lives. That's all there is to it. Open Gumloop, head to Templates by Gumloop on the left sidebar, scroll to Recently Added Workflows, and check the days ago and weeks ago labels to see exactly how new each workflow is. This simple routine keeps you on top of Gumloop's latest capabilities with minimal effort.